What's up, party rental people? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how we roll up a bounce house. I'm going to show you guys actually how we roll up a combo and a regular bounce house. And also I'm going to give you guys my honest review of Magic Jump inflatable manufacturer. So I hope you guys are excited. Let's go. All right, so here we have Magic Jump. If you guys have never heard of Magic Jump, they are currently the only licensed inflatable manufacturer for Disney, meaning anything Mickey Mouse, Avengers, Star Wars, all those themes, they have to be purchased by Magic Jump for them to be officially legit licensed. Otherwise, you could lose the inflatable. Like if somebody reports you, they can literally shred it. So here I have the Spider-Man inflatable. Let's go. All right, so this is one of their standard combos. We have a couple of them. I think I have the Mickey Mouse, Spider-Man. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what I really like about these and just kind of an honest review. First thing you notice, if I'm just being honest, right? Like when you get a Magic Jump unit, you notice it's different from most units. Like that's one of the first things I noticed. Like this is different, right? This is like, it's built different. It feels different. It feels like a totally different game. Right off the bat, you have the entrances, right? The way they do these entrances, it's kind of like the curve here is pretty different, and the material even, which I'll show you guys more specifically when we look at the bottom. It just there's something different about it, right? They have the Marvel here Spider-Man. It doesn't come off. So like this is the unit, and it's very well built. Here, let me show you guys the slide here. What I've come to love about Magic Jump is the consistency, right? Like their stuff is consistent through, like every unit is the same. Again, we've had two, but they're both exactly the same. They roll up the same, use the same stuff. If you come and look over here, they have a pretty unique ladder system that comes with a hose, right? So I don't know if it's good or bad, if you like it or don't like it, but it comes with a hose where you can just straight up hook up to any hose. It's nice because you don't have to hook up the hose all the way to the top. It comes right to the bottom. I like that. And this specific unit has a cool single lane slide. And you notice, like one of the things that I said is different. Maybe it's just me, but like this here, this little curve here, like I can tell this time looking at it from here. If I didn't know what this unit was, I can tell this is a Magic Jump unit by the way they do the curve here. Let's go take a look at the inside. You guys want to follow me here? One of the narrowest entrances I've seen to your unit, right? But maybe that's good, right? Like it's not easy for me to get up there. Like you guys are gonna watch me get up there. It's gonna be kind of tough. Like I literally have to in here. So here, let me grab this. Let me grab that. Here, the other one. All right, so right here, this is how they do their steps. And I think again, you're gonna notice the biggest difference when we roll this up, but this material here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not your standard slippery vinyl. They make it kind of slip resistant type thing. It's not steps. These are harder to rip off than your regular steps. I like that. They have signs across the sides here. And then overall, again, for the surface here, I don't know if you guys can see the detail here, but it's not your standard vinyl slippery stuff. It is kind of like it's kind of got the little ridges on it. Maybe that's to avoid slipping, but that is something that I noticed with Magic Jump units. The top as well, black. Not a huge fan. I feel like kind of maybe attracts the sun, but hey, maybe it's just this model. Again, you have the curve here, and there's that emergency exit. What up, guys? Hola. So that's kind of what you see on the outside. Let me hand the phone here to these guys. And I can slip out. Here, watch me come out of this. It's like really, I literally gotta lay down. That's too easy. But again, I think it might be just like a safety thing so kids don't fall back. Other than that, very nice banners here, like legit stuff, not like the stuff that you see, the knockoffs. And they are the only Disney one. Now, from a new buyer perspective, I don't necessarily recommend that you buy the themed stuff just to be transparent for you guys that are newer. I find the most success with just the generic stuff, but as you grow your inventory, you do want to start getting this kind of stuff. So that's just something to keep in mind. All right, that's pretty much my review. So if I had to rate This is one of my top 3 manufacturers, Magic Jump here. I like to buy from Magic Jump, Tent and Table, and Jump Orange. Those are my top 3. And what I look for most is the weight and the ease of use, right? And if you make my job easy, our guys like these because they're easy to roll, they're easy to use. That's what I care about. I have some really, really beautiful looking units from other manufacturers. They're so heavy, they look great, but honestly, the customer doesn't really mind. Customer just wants a bounce house at the end of the day. And I'm just looking for something where my guys can get in and out without breaking their backs and without it getting waterlogged. Let's look at the zippers and stuff, see if we notice anything here. Pretty standard. Here, once I roll this up, we can kind of look at the bottom. Oh, I do like their tethers. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. I do like the tethers that come with it. Again, pretty unique. They have these red tethers. Maybe it's the little things. I appreciate these things, but I noticed that they have these red tethers. They seem to be a little bit better quality on here. Oh, another thing, these D-rings. This stuff here, this ain't going nowhere, right? Most of the, like if we look at this one here, let's look at this unit. What makes this unit? But it's missing its D-rings. Yeah, see? Like this is what sometimes happens. You'll miss D-rings. This is not the best comparison unit. So when we miss D-rings, we have to replace them with rope if the whole thing doesn't rip off. I feel like Magic Jump does a really good job of the D-rings. Really good quality here. Not to say this should be I'll be lying to you if I told you I'll look at this when I'm deciding to buy, but this is one of the more unique D-rings here. Feels like it's really high quality. It's not going anywhere. No idea what this is here, but just noticed this. What the heck? Didn't even know this was here. Huh. That's interesting. All right. Maybe you guys could tell me in the comments what this is. I've never seen this before. You guys know what this is? You guys ever notice this?
I think it's a drainage, maybe.
The drain, like, there's not supposed to be water back here.
Maybe like to air it out.
Yeah, maybe air it out.
That's interesting.
Wow.
Curious. Okay. Yeah, see, little things. Little things I appreciate here. I do like to look at zippers. So this zipper looks good. I haven't had any problems. Zippers are a big problem with a lot of the units. Maybe manufacturers now are starting to pay more attention to that. This looks like a decent zipper. I know on our most recent tent and table unit, they had a really good zipper. I noticed that the zipper, they've upped their zipper game. That's pretty much it. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and show you guys.